Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the AI Rocket by Virtuals token. Ticker symbol is Rocket. Now this token is on the Base chain, Coinbase's blockchain. They're doing very well today. This token is over $650,000 in 24-hour trade volume today. And their market cap is $4.3 million. And they're up 58% in the past 24 hours, doing very well. We're going to go over the information on the AI Rocket by Virtuals token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here. You can see this is an AI agent Twitter. It says automated, multilingual AI agent across the universe, saving citizens of Earth. The moon shall be your new home. Blue verified checkmark, 785 posts so far. They have 6,536 followers. They just joined in November 2024. Brand new project, has a full link tree there that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. And they have the contract address right there, real easy to find. It says Base. It's on the Base chain. Their Twitter is at AI_Rocket_agent. If you click on that link tree, you're going to see all their chart sites, Dex Screener, CoinGecko. They're also on Dex Tools. Their socials, their virtuals protocol link is there as well in the link tree. All the links you're going to need are on this Twitter, including the contract address right there. So if you wanted to get this token here, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Base tokens. So you could use a Coinbase wallet, would be fitting. But you could also use a Trust wallet or a MetaMask wallet. And you could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund that wallet with ETH and then bridge it to Base. Or you could fund your wallet directly with Base from a central exchange. And there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you fund your wallet with Base, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your Base for the AI Rocket token using the contract address you can find right there on their Twitter. Right now, this token has 21,706 holders. Very popular project. 18 decimal places on this token. Started out with 1 billion total supply. It's deflationary, so right now the max total supply, according to their Base scan, is 766,800 tokens. And they have a Telegram you can follow at AI Rocket Labs that has 518 members. 106 of them are online. That's going to be a great place to join the discussion regarding this project. They have a white paper you can check out, ai-rocket.gitbook.io. Their webpage is ai-rocket.tech. Over there you can find all sorts of links as well. And lastly, how this token is doing here. Let's go over this here. Up 58%. Fully diluted valuation is $8.5 million, and their market cap is $4.2 million. 24-hour trading volume today, $659,000. And they have $807,000 worth of liquidity in Uniswap. Token price today, 0.0085 USD. So what is this project all about? A new era in alpha hunting. Degens, the world of crypto moves fast. Did you miss a trend? Of course, we all did. And you're left holding your bags in regret? That's where AI Rocket comes in. We're not just here to help you keep up. We're here to put you in the driver's seat, steering you towards the plays that make portfolios explode. We've taken a solid foundation of tools like AIXBT. I have done a video on that token, so check that out. That one's listed on CoinEx Global and MEXC Global, so check out the referral codes down there if you're interested in AIXBT. It says it dialed it up to 11 and injected it with a full dose of Raccoon ingenuity. The result, a terminal so powerful, it's practically unfair to anyone who isn't using it. Whether you're sniffing out 100 times gems, analyzing projects like a gigabrain, or just farming Twitter clout, AI Rocket has your back. It's not just about being early, it's about being the earliest. Now, degens deserve better. Let's face it, the crypto space is a jungle, and tools for navigating the jungle has been mediocre at best. Degens have been left to scrape together scraps of information, chasing alpha like headless chickens, and this ends now. AI Rocket is here to empower you with data-driven insights to make you smarter with faster moves. Provide a platform that not only finds alpha, but creates it. Automate the grind so that you can focus on stacking gains. We're not just another tool, we're the Raccoon engineered rocket strapped to your portfolio. Now, the Raccoon recipe for success. It says, here's what makes AI Rocket the ultimate degen toolkit. Alpha detection, predict the future today. Why wait for trends to blow up when you can see them forming? Twitter mentions, Telegram chats, retweets, likes, and message spikes is what we scrape. Advanced AI identifies patterns and highlights projects and narratives gaining traction. That's how we detect. And spot trends 3 to 7 days ahead of the herd. That's the edge. No more guessing, no more FOMO. You're the one creating the FOMO. They also have here, website traffic is what we track, Telegram engagement, Twitter metrics. There's daily narratives like Google trend data's sector-specific market cap growth, keyword spikes across crypto platforms. And then why grind for engagement when you can automate it? Shows how that works, the results. So you can check out a full roadmap on their document section, ai-rocket.gitbook.io. You can find all the charts on Dex Tools, Dex Screener. Check out the full link tree there on their Twitter, contract address, real easy to find. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.